relating that to you can say movie making. Journey so far from YOLO up to now.
It's the same thing. Still one day at a time. So journey be on the challenges, you know, and a smooth road. But once you and one also be there, and the challenge be about work with me, be facing. So that's what we are on.
Yeah, me funny say YOLO no ye time Ghana for do who ye pa from YOLO. Why it works be ana?
A lot of films. Yes.
One or two be as a wow kaya at least.
Okay,
make
after YOLO, Aloe Vera is on Netflix.
Oh,
and then Side Chick Gang is also there. And then you be some films. And I was saying me could be even to me who.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
The Sugar Spice and Sauce. There's Fatal Delusion. What we're about to bring out.
Nice
There's
one.
Another one, Deadly Obsession. Baby, there are lots.
Okay, nice one. Bisa way in a sense say YOLO na edi ho no. Obeka na say na no springboard for you to jump to a higher height.
Senior platform, you have to make sure you are climbing. You are not descending. You know, with what I started with, that's the Good Old Days franchise. You know, the next project had to be idea I may leverage you upon, and that was YOLO. And you know, after that, I think YOLO has given me a different level. At the marco, you can't say pencil, right? Yeah, another level. So yeah, we're only going up from there.
Okay. Going back into that days, you know, I think say na more graphoba could be at least not more picture almost say be in some years to come. And say be me say the likes of Majid, the likes of Van Vika, maybe was because now we are young, but experience YOLO now more you know.
While young, there are people you look up to in terms of senior more actors, senior more personality. But
it's not there when
I didn't. Oh, me Papa Angasa. On one me inspiration.
Oh wow.
So with how he's carried his career, it was a man first and foremost. One share there will be a lot of drama. In fact, even if you take yourself, there's still going to be drama around you. But now depending on how you carry yourself, how you respond to whatever is going on or whatever is happening. And he's somebody I can learn from because say and I make her say their social media they say it about everybody. But how you respond is what shows the kind of person you are. And he's handled some kind of things well. He's one, other people are there. So these are people I look up to. These are the things I'm missing in terms of how to handle fame, basically. Because one show you are fame in India, they do trim it leads you on and you do so many things. But the way they've carried themselves in your Mukita brand, it's very admirable. You know, those are the things I used to see.
Yeah, now I admire no so personally not me bound change be cool chill in a way say be
he was my lecturer too.
Wow.
Just aside the fact that my father on screen, I'm a lecturer, so I can call him if I have issues and big shouts to
Bonnie deep pusher can sanu be a pusher sanu be a dinimuni ye pa